Welcome to my bird photography session. This is by Susan M Maithya. When you're taking birds, you need to consider choosing a very good camera. You also need to consider what is being photographed, how will the equipment be transported, your personal budget, how it will be stored and taken care of, and what lens can be added later for better quality photographs. Ideal cameras for outdoors would be the prime lens for full frame AF, APS-C DSLRs or the super telephoto zooms like a Canon and Nikon 200 to 400 f-stop 4, the Canon 100 to 400L, the Sigma 150 to 600. Another one is the Micro Four Thirds system, the Canon DSLR, the Olympus 300mm f-stop, and all the others listed below. Preparing your camera for outdoor photography. Consider the burst modes, which helps your camera continuously take pictures as long as the shutter button is pressed. Also consider the batteries and the memory cards. A battery grip enhances the performance further. Other things to consider is the shutter speed and aperture priority mode. Shutter speed being with slow animals you get away with 1 over 1000 seconds, but with flying birds you may need 1 2000 seconds faster and faster. As a rule of thumb, your shutter speed should be 1 over focal length or faster. Aperture priority mode enables me to quickly adjust to changing light situations. Good for portraits because the shallow depth of field isolates your subject from the background. Image quality and size. Always shoots both RAWs and with the highest quality, JPEGs, at the same time. The JPEGs are immediately available for social media and email. The best RAWs can be perfected in Lightroom. Remember ISO, increase the ISO as much as needed to achieve a fast enough shutter speed for a sharp picture. Autofocus, back button focus. Professional cameras have an AF on button. Use it. If you don't have one, you can customize the AE or AF button at the back of the camera for focusing. The shutter release button is for taking pictures only. Autofocus mode. The preferred AFC continuous autofocus mode is good because you have constantly focus and compose, and when you're ready, press the shutter release button. This you can do very easily. Autofocus area mode. In wildlife photography, it is important to be able to focus on a specific point. That is usually the eye of the subject. In the bush, an automatic autofocus will focus on the nearest branches, but not on the subject. That is why I set the AF area to single point AF. This way, I can put the focus point where I want it to be. Remember the composition. Set ideal scenery for photographs, and always return your standard settings once done. Other things you have to remember is look at the customized user settings here and look at what you have in your camera. Uh, Finally, try taking the following birds in fast flight: a sparrow, an eagle, a turkey, a hornbill, a hawk, and a hummingbird. I hope you enjoy taking your photographs of birds and have a good time.